Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. Right, as you've seen, the video today is on a 2010 Volkswagen Golf GTI. And yes, this is what we're going to be doing today, and nothing really special, but I decided to take you through. So we are going to replace the brake lines with these Tarox brake lines. I will leave a link in the description below for where you can get these from. These brake lines are exactly the same ones as I fitted on my M5. If you follow my channel, I might have showed you that. So exactly the same type of brake lines, including the fluid, exactly the same fluid. We're going to change the fluid on this car. The fluid on this car is extremely bad. I've just checked it. Is really bad. It's really black, all dirty. Is not looking. Look at that. You see that? I don't know. I don't know if I don't want to do anymore, but yeah, it's really dirty. So yeah, we're gonna replace these lines and change the fluid. It's not going to be a long video. I'm just going to show you one wheel. The other ones are going to be obviously a replication of the first one. Same stuff. I will show you the brake lines in a minute. And yeah, so the first thing I like to do when I do these sort of things is remove as much oil as I can from the reservoir. That way, when you put the new stuff, you don't have so much to blend with, and you can obviously flush the system much quicker. So we're going to remove some oil from there. In the meantime, we're going to jack up the car, take a wheel out, and start to replace this. Before we start, I will just show you the brake lines. Some paperwork that comes with it in there. Then you have, I don't know which one is which, obviously they are made for this car. This is the type of brake line we're talking about. So they are stainless, braided, and then the braiding is covered with this silicone layer sort of. So this is what they are. Obviously I believe these ones are for the rears, judging by the size, and then you have the front ones. They are custom made for your particular car, and this is what we're going to be fitting. Right, these ones have been made some time ago. So, but yeah, this is what we're going to be fitting, and that's about it. It comes with all the new bolts, washers, brush washers, etc. So let's gonna get on with it. Okay, draining the reservoir. It was really bad. You guys can't really see, or I think the picture doesn't make a fair judgment. I could see the dirty running through the hose. Really beats off, like sort of black sort of stuff coming out. It's really bad. Anyway, wheel is out. This first one and last one I'm going to take you through, because the other ones are just going to be the same or very similar. I'm going to take you, it's just finished. I'm going to take you in a little bit of detail how I'm going to do it, and that's about it really. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously clean the points where we're going to have to open the system. So right here, and then right there at the back. Obviously we might give a quick clean on everything. I do have, guys, these tools for brake lines, including these ratchets, okay, that you can align to get in place, and then just working as a ratchet. This is usually what I use for brake lines. These ratchets, I just got them quite recently, to be honest. I think is the second time I'm using them, if that, second or third. Anyway, so let's gonna give it a clean and then go from there. I tried to show you how bad this oil actually is. Look inside that filter, and obviously this is filled with oil up to here. Look at that. It was really needing to be replaced. Good call to get it replaced now. Probably has never been replaced, who knows. Okay guys, and one is done, another 3 to go. So I'm going to put the wheel back on, and then I'll take you through. I was just thinking I will take you through the one at the rear, just in case if it's different, which is going to be obviously, but I'll take you through that one rather than just one here. So I'll take you through the one at the back, and that's it. But yeah, one is done, bleeded, all sorted. Right guys, we're going to have to speed up because the weather is not helping. So let's gonna do the rear one. As you can see, it's very similar to the front one, but a shorter hose. So let's gonna take these off, clean first, just the same process, and then we'll go from there. It's definitely not helping. Definitely not helping. Okay, and the weather is now slightly better. Unfortunately, I had to put the old hose back in because they have sent the wrong hoses for the back. So as you can see, the back is exactly the same as the front with the banjo, and this is the hose they sent. So I already rang Tyrox. They immediately assumed the mistake. They're gonna send new hoses for the rear, and at no extra cost. He's tried to get them here for tomorrow, but just in case if it doesn't happen, I'm going to put I already put the old one back in. I already flushed the system with the new fluid, so that's done. So next time all we need to do really is just replace the hose and do a quick bleed. We don't need to flush the system. Just finished doing that. But yes, so at no extra cost, they're going to send new hoses. I explained exactly what needs to be done, what type of hose needs to be, and they're quite helpful. No issues on that. Unfortunately, yes, the car is not going to be done, but the principle of how this is done is here. The main points I would say is clean properly where you're going to open the stuff, because you don't want to any bits of sand or dirt to get inside the system. So just make sure you clean that properly before you undo anything, and that's about it, really. So with no further ado, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope there's some information here you can find useful. If you do have any questions, any comments, please put them below. I know it's not a special video, but yeah, it's what it is. And like always guys, thanks for watching.